Yeah, so Shraddha, actually, this question comes to us because see, our space has so many startups coming up and trying to
Yeah.
capture the mind of retail investors. Now, fundamentally, I mean, structurally, we are very different from a like say pure play consumer platforms that are coming to serve the retail investors. Now, we actually, first of all, we are a pure play investment technology platform. So our premise is like we are a B2B2C investment technology platform, wherein on the B2B, where we work with existing incumbents, top fund managers, PMS firms getting into advisory, or research analyst firms looking to serve retail investors. They come on our platform. On top of direct equities and ETFs, they create portfolios which could mimic a theme or a sector or a long-term strategy or a short-term strategy, let's say, or maybe a emerging theme like electric vehicles. Or so they create these portfolios on our platform. So we are the platform enabler for these managers. And on the distribution side, we don't compete with brokers, we work with brokers. So we integrate with every broking partner on in India, basically trying to have access to every demat account in India through our broking partnerships, so that on their consumer platform, our consumer engine runs, where these customers are, apart from direct stocks, direct ETFs, direct mutual fund, they can also see these curated portfolios to invest. And these curated portfolios, how is it different from an end customer point of view, is that these are managed portfolios. So when you invest in a direct stock, you don't know when to exit unless you are doing a full-time trading, trying to understand markets and making sure that each of your trades or investments are taken to right exits, right? Versus investing in a managed portfolio, what happens is that you invest in that portfolio, so you replicate underlying stocks in your demat account through your broker. And these managers on our business platform, they continuously monitor these portfolios and update that as per their investment strategy. So let's say if you invest in a smart beta or a factor momentum based portfolio, so the momentum strategy which the manager is running, they will be continuously updating that as per their models. And at the broking account level, if you are invested in this, whenever there is a change in this portfolio, you will get your buys and sells. You do one touch approval, logging with your broker, and update in your account. So what happens is that you, instead of trying to follow the markets, you're trying to just follow the manager's smartness, which is the ability to create wealth. And they are good with that, right? But they could not serve the retail investors till now. So as a platform, for the first time, we have created an ecosystem where on the one side, we are bringing the top managers who create value by in the form of wealth baskets. And on the retail broker level, these customers can discover and invest in these premium solutions, which they could not till now.